Are you looking for the best washing machine? In this video, we will show the 5 best washing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. Washing machine for household use. Portable washer 1.7 cubic feet with 8 cycles, transparent lid, and LED display. Brand: BLACK+DECKER. Capacity: 1.7 cubic feet. Access location: top load. Cycle options: bulky, drain, normal, spin. Item weight: 70.5 pounds. Aluminum 2%, steel 47%, copper 1%, plastic ABS PS 34%, foaming materials 3%, glass 3%, other 10%. Wash up to 11 pounds. Wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at a time with the superior BLACK+DECKER Best Portable Washer. Our portable clothes washer, 21.3 x 21.7 x 36.6 inches, has 6 cycle selections: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. Even suitable for baby clothes, diapers, and lingerie. Energy-efficient operation. Built-in lint filter that does not need to be replaced. Just clean it about once a month. Designed for high-efficiency detergents and cold water use only. Operation mode: automatic. Impressive functionality. With your new washer machine, 70.5 pounds, you have 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads, as well as hot, warm, and cold temperature settings. You can even select delay start up to 24 hours.
Number 4. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is a reliable and convenient choice for apartments, small homes, and laundry rooms with limited space. Its 2.0 cubic foot capacity is large enough to handle everyday laundry while remaining compact and easy to move. The 6 wash cycles provide flexibility for different fabrics, including delicate items and heavier loads. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the wash process, while the clear LED display makes selecting settings simple and user-friendly. This portable washer runs quietly and delivers strong, consistent cleaning performance. Setup is quick, and the overall build feels sturdy and well-designed. For anyone looking for a dependable portable washing machine from a trusted brand, this BLACK+DECKER model offers excellent efficiency, ease of use, and value for everyday household laundry needs.
Number 3. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. 28 pounds twin tub washer mini compact laundry machine with drain pump. Semi-automatic 18 pounds washer, 10 pound spinner combo for dorms, apartments, RVs. Brand: Auertech. Capacity: 28 pounds. High efficiency, feature. Access location: top load. Finish type: painted. Cycle options: timed wash and spin. 31 pounds weight. Large capacity twin tub washer. Auertech portable mini washer has 2 separate tubs, washing tub and spin tub, allowing you to wash and dry clothes at the same time. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets, perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, etc. Note: there is water in the washing machine because it is tested before packaging. We do not sell used products. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1300 RPM powerful motor, clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. Washer capacity: 18 pounds, spin capacity: 10 pounds. Recommended maximum waterline: 13.5 inches. The transparent window allows you to see the process of washing or spinning. Our mini washer machine can achieve low consumption and save water while free your hands. Equipped with drain pump and adjustable inlet hose. This portable washing machine equipped with a drainage pump. You can choose freely drain water to a higher position or a convenient place randomly. You never need to worry about the drainage problem.
Number 2. This portable washing machine is an excellent solution for small living spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, or compact homes. With a 17.7 pounds capacity, it easily handles daily laundry loads while saving space and water. The fully automatic design and 10 wash programs make it simple to customize cycles for different fabrics, from delicate items to heavier clothing. The tub's self-cleaning feature helps maintain hygiene and reduces odors, which is especially useful for frequent use.
Despite its compact size, the washer operates quietly and delivers reliable cleaning performance. Setup is straightforward, and the off-white design looks clean and modern in any room. Overall, this small washing machine offers great convenience, efficiency, and versatility, making it a practical choice for anyone needing a dependable washer without the bulk of a traditional unit.
Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic feet portable washer, 6.6 pound capacity washing machine for homes and apartments. 5 wash cycles, quick connect sink adapter and drain hose included, transparent lid. Brand, BLACK+DECKER. Capacity, 0.9 cubic feet. Access location, top load. Finish type, stainless steel. Cycle options, drain, gentle, normal. Item weight, 48.4 pounds. Material, aluminum 2%, steel 47%, copper 1%, plastic, ABS, PS 34%, foaming materials 3%, glass 3%, other 10%. Multiple wash cycles. Wash your laundry at home with this BLACK+DECKER portable washer. Our portable clothes washer has 5 cycle selections: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. Cold water wash only. This portable washing machine offers 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads up to 6.6 pounds capacity for cold water only temperature settings. Stainless steel tub. Our 0.9 cubic feet portable laundry machine features a durable, rust and corrosion-resistant stainless steel wash tub with top-loading transparent quiet close lid to view contents. Safety features. Our small washing machine features auto unbalance detection to ensure laundry is cleaned at peak performance, as well as auto shutoff safety features and child lock protection. Portable convenience. Connect and disconnect this apartment washing machine with ease and transport from kitchen or bathroom to storage closet on 2 roller wheels with side handles when it's needed.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.